You open up Photoshop and then you go to File, Place, you pick a photo, open it up, and it should be like this on your desktop. Then you click the little tick at the top corner and then you have your photo. To resize the photo, you go to the top and click Show Transformation Tools. Then holding Shift, you can move the photo to whatever size you wish. To crop a photo, you go to the left-hand sidebar and click the fifth icon down. Then, you drag the box over the image until you find the size you want. Then you click the tick at the top bar. You can also change the colour, brightness or vibrance, etc. on the photo by going to the right-hand side onto the bar and clicking an icon. You can change the brightness by toggling the bar up and down to see which fits the photo best. You can also delete these actions by dragging the little box down to the right-hand side corner. To add text into a video, you go to the left-hand sidebar and click this little T, which stands for text. Then you can draw a box on your image. Then you can type whatever word you want. In this case I typed Lindsay Kay, which was the name of my artist. You can also resize the font to whichever size you want. You can also change the sharpness to suit your needs. Also, you can change the colour. I chose black, so it can go against the background well. Then you can change the font. There you have your text. Then you click the little tick at the top corner to secure it on the image. In order to open up an image in InDesign, you must go to the left-hand sidebar and click the box icon. Then you must draw a box whichever size you want. Then open up whichever photo you need. Then the image will come up like this. You need to resize the image. Click the first arrow on the left-hand sidebar and holding down Shift, drag the box. You can then resize it by dragging the blue box, which surrounds the image, up or down to whichever size suits you. You can then also resize it at the sides or at the bottom so that the main part of your image fits in the box. You can also resize the image a different way. By double clicking on the photo, an orange box will appear around the photo. Then you can hold down Shift and resize the photo to whatever size you need. To crop a photo in InDesign, you must click the photo so the blue box appears around it. Then holding Shift, you can drag the box down to crop the image. To add text to an image in InDesign, you click the T, which stands for text, on the left-hand sidebar. Then you draw a box on your image. Type whichever text you want in the box, then highlight it and go to the top bar. You can then resize the text by clicking the little arrows on the font bar. Then you can scroll down and choose whichever font you want. In this example, I've shown 3 different fonts. You can also change the leading between the characters by clicking the third box along on the bottom. You can then change the colour of the text as well. Also, you can add an outline around the text. You can also edit the text in a different way in InDesign. First, you select the text you want. Then, on the top bar, you click FX. In this example, I've shown how to do a drop shadow. You go along the bar and click drop shadow, and then you can change how big you want your drop shadow to be. You can also add a stroke onto it or inner glow.